Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally have a confirmation on a new spoiler that we've seen in one of Joe's little sneak peeks. You know how he likes to hide stuff in the background. So we do have one of those items that has been confirmed for the September BoxyLuxe box. And guys, since y'all don't have to go from video to see all these spoilers, I'm going to go ahead and show you what spoilers we have so far for the September base box as well as the September premium box as well. If I can remember, I'll try to timestamp this for you guys. That way you're not missing out on anything, and you can go straight to whichever box you want to see. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was my unboxing of the August-September AIA Beauty Bundle box. Well, thank you so much, Tony Michelle. Tony says, hey. Well, hey, Tony, girl, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your bell set and always coming and watching my videos. You always leave such nice comments. Thank you so much, Tony. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second. So don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So y'all don't have to go from video to video. I'm going to let you know all the September spoilers to all 3 boxes that we have so far. Again, that way y'all can only watch one video. Now I'm going to try to timestamp everything. Hopefully I remember this time. So let's go ahead and start with the BoxyCharm base September box. So the first thing is the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish eyeshadow palette. Next up is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Double-Ended Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, of course, shades may vary on that. And then, of course, the Hip Dot Xeon eyeshadow palette. And then, Joe also mentions that there will be another product from Huda Beauty in the base box. Now, guys, let's dive into what we have so far for the September Premium BoxyCharm box. So, again, these were choice items, and this is open, I think. I'm pretty sure it's open. So, if you made your choice already, let us know what you chose. So the first item is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Now again, shades may vary on this. Next is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream Moisturizer. Or you could pick the Ole Henriksen the Fat Glow Facial Mask. Now again, these are choice items for September Premium, and I believe that should be open now. So if you already chose, let us know what you chose down in the comments, and let's go ahead and dive into the BoxyLuxe box and show you the new confirmed spoiler. Again, this is a spoiler that has been confirmed for the BoxyLuxe September box. So first I'm going to show you what we already know that's going to be in that box, and then I'll show you Joe's Instagram post. Then we'll go over the product that's been confirmed. So the first thing is the Biro Tomato Serum. Now these were choice items, so you could have either chose that or the Pharmacy Beauty Cheer Up Eye Cream or the Kate Somerville Exfoliating Treatment. And the second set of choice items for the September BoxyLuxe box, the first thing was Tan Luxe, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. You could have chosen that, or the Skin Camp Hydrogel Rosy Hearts Eye Mask. That is a 5-piece. I don't know how. There's 5 of them. Alright. Or you could have chosen the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask, or the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum, or you could have chosen the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, or the OC Atmosphere Protection Cream. And then the last thing, but certainly not least, is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask in gray. Now again, that was the second set of choice items for September BoxyLuxe. So anyways guys, let me go ahead and show you Joe's Instagram post.
Okay, what are we looking at?
So guys, you can't know, it's a big secret, but we're doing a big, huge PR for some exciting things that are coming up. So stay tuned.
Okay, I'll tell you, this is gonna be... So behind those doors lies all the boxes all the way into next year. Let me open it up and show you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you remember, I done a video where this was a hidden sneak peek in the background. Of course, you know how Joe is, a sneaky Joe there. So this has been confirmed, guys. The Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighters, or freestyle highlighters. I believe that's the one that he was showing. Now it does show the duo one, the split panned one, and it shows the one. Now I believe the one that he showed is in the shade Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Now that is the one he showed, so I'm pretty sure there's going to be different shade variations, and I don't know if it's just going to be these duo pan ones or it's going to be the other ones, but I'm excited to find out which one. But this is confirmed. This will be in everybody's BoxyLuxe box. So guys, let me know what you think about this item, and as well as the rest of them. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in a loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Anna, is it Breathop? I probably butchered that, Anna, and I do apologize if I did. Anyways, Anna says, I have the Blue Lotus Cleanser and BB Cream. I love them. Really excited for this. I didn't have the cleanser, but I did have the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I still got the bottle right here. Guys, I used this for a primer. I absolutely loved it, and if I had the money, that I would definitely repurchase that. I wish I hadn't used all of it. I don't know why I still got the bottle, but I still got the damn bottle. I guess as a reminder, if I ever do get enough money to get that, that is something that will definitely be repurchased. But I do love Purely's, and every item that I've ever gotten from them has been absolutely wonderful. So Anna, I'm with you on that. I'm with you on that all the way. I bet the cleanser was just as good. I haven't tried the BB cream. I would like to try that. And Anna, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And guys, as for a little update on those of you that do like to keep up my life updates, I had a subscriber email me the other day, and it was the most brilliant idea I've ever, I would have never thought of it, because I don't think like outside the box like that. For those of you that do know and did watch the eviction video, you know I'm still here. He's still calling and harassing me, telling me he's going to bring the sheriff, and I think if he could do that, he would have already done that. And guys, I don't know. I have researched till I've just researched out. But a subscriber emailed me the other day because, see, I was trying to give him what money I did have toward the rent, and he don't want to do that. He wants it all. He wants it all. So a subscriber emailed me and told me to get a money order, have it notarized, and mail it to him. Guys, I don't know if this works. I don't really know, but that's exactly what I done. I went and I withdrew every penny that I had out, and that's exactly what I did. Now, whether that works or not, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Hopefully I didn't just throw away that money, but so I did want to update you guys on that. I'm starting to feel pains again in my right side, so you know, I've been waiting on tests so long, I don't know if they've lost me somewhere in there or what happened. I'm probably going to end up back in the hospital because, you know, it's starting to get to me. I just don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but I'll keep y'all updated. And again, I really appreciate everybody that's emailed me. You know, y'all have talked me through some really crappy days, and I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. And it does lift me up when y'all send me your stories. And again, I just couldn't be more grateful for you guys, but I'll keep you guys updated. And I'm also trying to keep up with this stimulus thing. I mean, it would just get me out of this pickle that I'm in. But again, you know, there ain't none that's been approved or anything, and they're on vacation. So I don't know what's going to happen there. I don't know why. You know, there's been so many people that has been evicted, that's lost their jobs, that really need this. I don't understand why they haven't passed one yet. I mean, I know they have to see this. You know, they've got graphs and everything else telling them that everything's just gone downhill. I mean, we need this. If you want a channel that you could trust, you know, with stimulus updates and everything, I'm going to link Morris Invest down in the description box. I've been watching him for the last, I will say 5 or 6 months, you know, since we've been in this pandemic. And he just comes to you with the truth. He comes to you with facts. You know, he's not clickbaiting like all these other channels. Yes, you know, they have so much clickbait out there saying that $2,000 a month is passed and stimulus passed today. And, you know, so if you are trying to keep up with stuff like that, and let me just go ahead and weed out the other ones for you. The best channel I know of is Morris Invest. It don't matter how bad he hurts your feelings, he's going to tell you the truth and what's really going on. Again, I'll link him below because I know a lot of us need this right now and we're trying to keep up with it. But yeah, if you want facts and none of that phony clickbaity titles and all that stuff, go to his channel. And I'll keep you updated with my life just as much as I can. As soon as anything new happens or anything, like I said, we're all just trying to get by. So my heart goes out to everybody that's going through a similar situation. And again, I couldn't be more grateful to have people like y'all that email me and have helped me out so much. I'm going to start crying if I start doing this. But anyways, guys, I love y'all and I'll see you in the next one.